We'll guide you through how to play Minecraft Java with a controller. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you may go and prefer playing games with the controller, and so you want to play Minecraft Java with one. We'll guide you through how you can use it. To get started, we need to quit Minecraft. To go and do this, we are going to be using a mod. Don't worry though, we'll guide you through how you can get it and use it. So what we need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll go and use Chrome. What you need to do is go and type in Minecraft controllable, like so. And then what we can do is come to CurseForge at the top here, and we can go and click on it. You can scroll through here and read about it, but we'll be guiding you through how you can go and install it in this video. So at the top, you can go and press files. Then what you can do is you can go and scroll down here, and we're going to see the different ones. We can go and see the game version and the mod loader. That's the main thing we're looking at. In this case, I want to get the most recent one, which at the moment is 1.21.5. We're going to get it for Fabric. So you can press the three dots to the right and press download file. If you're using other mods, make sure you go and get it for the same version. Come to a search engine, and what you can do is go and type in Fabric Minecraft, just to make sure we get to the right place. We can come to fabricmc.net. You can go and press download at the top like so, and then press download for Windows. It's now gone and downloaded. And what we can then do is get the API. So we can click here. We're going to take a moment to load, and you want to go and press files. We can then go and set the game version for the same version that we got controllable for, which is 1.21.5. So I've selected that there, and then what we can do is go and get the most recent one. I'll press the three dots to the right and press download file. Now go and wait for this to finish downloading. It shouldn't go and take too long, and like that, it's downloaded. A big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, make sure you check them out in the pinned comment and the description. At the moment, you can get 35% off your first invoice. If we scroll down, we can start checking out some of their great features, like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, mean you can go and get the help anytime you need it, amongst many other great features as well. So if you're interested, there'll be a link down below. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. What we need to do is we need to come into our downloads like so. Come into your file explorer and come to your downloads. Go and find the Fabric installer and go and double click on it like so. What we need to do is make sure we install it for the version we got controllable for, which is 1.21.5, and press install. Then press OK, and you need to go and open up the Minecraft launcher. Here we are. At this point, you can go and plug in your controller if you haven't already. And then what you want to do is go to the top, press installations, and you can scroll down and go and find Fabric for 1.21.5 and press the folder icon to the right. In here, you need to go and find the mods folder. We need to install framework. So what you can do is come back to controllable on CurseForge, press requires framework, we brought here, press files, and we can select the game version for the version we got, which is 1.21.5. Go to the right and make sure we find Fabric, press the three dots and download it. Come back to the mods folder and go and add it in like we did earlier. What you can then do is run it again. Here we are, I'm now in the world and I'm using the controller. You can go and see some controls in the bottom right, and I'm now playing Minecraft with a controller. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.